Welcome to Gear Grinders, your ultimate source for the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're turning our attention to a true icon, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Iron 883. A staple in the Harley lineup for years, the Iron 883 has always been known for its raw attitude, minimalist design, and unmistakable V-twin soul. For 2025, Harley-Davidson brings subtle yet meaningful updates to keep this urban cruiser relevant without compromising its rugged heritage and stripped-back style. Let's take a closer look at what makes the new Iron 883 worth the ride. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Iron 883 stays true to its roots with a dark, stripped-down look that oozes attitude. Its signature peanut tank, low-slung frame, and blacked-out finishes remain front and center. New for 2025 are refined paint schemes, including matte bronze, deep crimson, and a stealthy charcoal gray, all designed to enhance its custom feel right out of the factory. The bike's minimalist approach is balanced with premium touches like revised badging, updated wheel designs, and LED lighting that updates its presence while keeping the vintage soul intact. It's a design that speaks to purists and new riders alike. Performance and powertrain. The heart of the Iron 883 remains its iconic 883 cubic centimeters air-cooled Evolution V-twin engine, delivering around 54 horsepower and 54 lb-ft of torque. It's not about top speed, this bike is about feel. The rumble, the torque, the connection between rider and machine. For 2025, the engine receives minor refinements for smoother throttle response and cleaner emissions, staying compliant with updated regulations while keeping that unmistakable Harley growl. A 5-speed gearbox and belt final drive ensure a low-maintenance experience and that classic cruiser vibe that riders crave. Safety and technology. Harley-Davidson keeps things simple but smart. The 2025 Iron 883 now comes equipped with standard ABS for improved braking performance and rider confidence. The updated digital-analog combo gauge provides essential ride data while maintaining a clean, retro look. Suspension has been tweaked for better urban performance, absorbing rough streets with ease while offering a firmer, more planted feel at higher speeds. Whether you're carving city corners or hitting the highway, this bike feels solid, smooth, and unmistakably Harley. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Iron 883 is a masterclass in modern nostalgia. It's raw, it's stripped down, and it delivers exactly what riders love, a pure, unfiltered riding experience with a style that turns heads wherever it goes. With updated tech, refined performance, and classic Harley DNA, the Iron 883 continues to be a favorite for those who want a bike that's equal parts rebel and legend. For more reviews, reveals, and two-wheeled updates, keep it locked right here on Gear Grinders.